Thank you for taking this class, Introduction to Blockchain Technology, a presentation of coding boot camps. And we just completed an introduction to blockchain technology and how blockchain technology works. The topics we learned in this class, we had our introduction to blockchain technology. Along with our introduction, we learned how blockchain ledgers work, the structure and types of a blockchain operation and mining, blockchain cryptology, and blockchain consensus, and we looked at the distributed blockchain networks. We explored blockchain versus a relational database, first and second generation blockchains, popular blockchains and blockchain products, essentials of cryptocurrencies, cryptocurrency fundamentals, the blockchain regulatory structure, and blockchain use cases. Congratulations, you have successfully finished this class. For follow-up, please look into Introduction to Blockchain Cybersecurity. Look into Solidity programming, and also we develop many examples. Learn blockchain development for Corda, Hyperledger Fabric for developers, Ethereum blockchain development, Hyperledger Fabric for administrators, and Hyperledger Sawtooth for administrators. Thank you again, and please follow us on social media. We'll see you in the next class.